Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm showing you my hair after getting my hair trimmed. If you have not watched that video, go check it out. This is what my hair looks like. I did have my hair in a low ponytail, so that's why you see all the creases in my hair. Other than that, I'm just showing you a protein wash day for myself, so let's jump into the video. Keep in mind that all products used will be listed down in the description below. So the first thing I like to do is to soak my hair. This also breaks up all the oils and the moisturizers that were used over the time. By doing this, it also allows the hair to release that buildup, and it also opens up the cuticles to accept the next product that you're trying to put in. So this product that I'm using here is the Alpha G Deep Moisture Shampoo. I love this because I want my hair to feel moisturized, but also it is a restorative body and vibrant control frizz. So I am all for it. Try my best to do a protein wash day at least one time a month. Be very careful when you are using a protein. Some people are more protein sensitive than others. I am not. The reason for protein is to strengthen the hair. So I did notice some breakage that I was having, so I immediately knew that, okay, my hair is extremely soft, so let's jump right into this protein. And I'm using my good old t-shirt to prevent frizz and breakage. And the next product that I'm using is the number 3 Olaplex. It repairs and strengthens all hair types. I've already did a video on this, so you already know the specs on this. If not, then you definitely need to check those videos out. This is not a conditioner, this is just a bond builder. So check it out in my other videos. I will list them down in the description below. I can say after doing my protein wash day, my hair has literally stopped breaking. I am so grateful for just being able to listen to my hair and giving it what it needs. Okay, so I know you all are probably going to say something. I could not locate my shower cap, so the next best thing is my shopping bag from Publix. So say something about it in the comment section. I don't care. Okay, so it's been more than 10 minutes that I left the bond builder on. So I'm going ahead and taking off my shopping bag. This is all I could find. I don't know where my shower cap is, so again, let's just see how my hair is feeling. Hair is definitely feeling nice and soft, silky. That's just amazing how that bond builder works so quickly. I started at 310, it's 338, so we're gonna go ahead and wash this stuff out. I just wanted to let you all know that the bond builder, you can leave that on either overnight, you can leave it on for several hours. It's really up to you. Hey dolls, enjoying the video so far? Stay tuned by subscribing to my channel as well as clicking the notification bell to be notified of all my many videos that I love to post. Make sure you also comment down below on any questions that you may have on any video. Now let's get back to the video. So the next product that I'm using is the Affirm 5-in-1 Reconstructorizer. I love this product because it has a plethora of benefits. It repairs damaged hair, it minimizes breakage and shedding, it realigns, it seals and smooths the cuticle, it minimizes porosity, it detangles, it volumizes fine limp hair, and it also imparts body and shine. Now tell me, how many Reconstructorizer conditioners do you have that does all of that? I'll wait. So you want to leave the Affirm Reconstructorizer conditioner on for 30 minutes and then cover your hair with a plastic cap. So my hair definitely felt strengthened, so I went ahead and just tugged on it just to kind of give it a try, you know. You definitely want to follow up with some type of conditioner after using the Reconstructorizer, because remember, this is a protein that we're using, so we want to go ahead and balance the hair back out with the moisturizer. Now my final conditioner is actually a product that I bought from Ross. It cost me $7.99. It is castor oil. It's an anti-breakage conditioner. I like the fact that it has custom blended with coconut, avocado, jojoba oil. It just has a plethora of different types of oils that I love to use. I have not used jojoba oil for a while, so I definitely wanted to give this a try. It also hydrates the hair while increasing the shine. So following the directions, I did go ahead and leave the product on for a few minutes, and then I'll rinse my hair with cool water. Rinsing the hair with cool water closes my cuticles and then allows those moisturizers and that protein to remain in my cuticles, thereby holding those products. Okay dolls, so that's it. Make sure you all subscribe, like the video. Also turn on your notification bells to be notified on all my videos. Comment down below on any questions or anything that you may have seen that you do differently down below in the comment section. I'll see you later in my next video. Bye dolls.